Hello, good morning, Miss. I'm Darnanti from Tender Care Clinic. How can I assist you, Miss?
Good morning to Miss. I'm Rahma, the patient work visit in the car clinic this afternoon. I would like to inquire about the prescription I referred and also ask about over the counter medication.
Sure. Do you have a specific type of medicine in mind?
Yes, I usually thought of medication and syrup but I don't like the texture of almond syrup. They are too sweet or bitter.
I understand some people don't like syrup. Would you like to try cold medicine in tablet from instead?
I like tablet better. Actually, the are easy to take and faster for me.
Great. We have several options. Do you like herbal products or do you prefer regular medicine?
I like herbal product, but only if they are effective. I don't like wasting time on something that don't work.
Let me show you a few options that are both herbal and clinically tested.
You act like it.